Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today I'm going to show you how to draw Zipper from the Rescue Rangers. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe, maybe share with a friend. All of that is awesome of you. Alright, so to start drawing Zipper, I'm going to start with a little circle for the nose. Like that. And then I'm going to put a little circle in that shape as like a little, just a little bit of where the light is hitting his nose. Just like a little shiny spot. And then we can color the biggest part all dark. Okay, so now he needs great big eyes. So I'm gonna start maybe right here. And do a little curve like that, and a little curve on the other side, and come on down and curve into that nose. And I'm going to try to do the same over on this side. All right, and now we can do two little circles. Oh, sorry if you just heard that bark. That was my dog. She's barking at something in the window. So we can color these in all black. All right, and now let's see. I'm going to do a little line kind of coming down here from the side of those eyes. Same on the other side here. And up top here, we can do a few little flicks there. I think that might be Zipper's hair. It's got like a few little itty bitty pieces. And right here, we're gonna do a little bit of a cheek. We can do that on both sides. And then we can put a little line like that. And on the other side too. And give him a great big smile. Like that. Great big smile. And it can be an open mouth smile. And we can do a little tongue. Do a little bottom to the mouth, and then this side here we can match that up with that bottom of the mouth. We can do that over here as well. Alright, so now we can do a little neck here, the neck of Zipper's shirt, like that. He wears like a little turtleneck. And then we can come on down with the sleeve and over here too. Oh my goodness. Sorry, I apologize. You can hear my dogs. They're barking. Okay, and we can come on down on this side a little bit. And I can do a little bit of a curved line here. Match up and meet with those two lines. And let's do a line coming down here. We're slanting downward. And same over here. And we can give them two little feet, one there, and do a little line right here, and come on down with another little foot, like that. And let's give them his little hand, the little thumb, and come on up. And same over here, so we can do an arm, and a little thumb, little hand, and that other line. So we're almost done drawing him, but we need some wings. So let's do a little shape like this, a big curve here, and another one. Okay, So now we are all done our drawing and I'm going to start coloring. Alright everyone, we are finished drawing a cute little zipper. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to learn how to draw next, and thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!